There are 5 foods sitting in your kitchen right now that are quietly killing your testosterone. Not junk food, not the obvious stuff. Foods you've been told are healthy. Foods your wife probably bought this week. Foods you might have eaten for breakfast this morning. After 40, these foods hit you twice as hard as they did in your 20s. Your body just can't bounce back the way it used to. Number 5 is going to surprise you. Number 2 is in almost every American breakfast. And number 1, that's the big one almost nobody talks about. Before we get to the foods, you need to understand something simple about how food affects your testosterone after 40. Your body makes testosterone through a chain of steps, like a factory line inside you. When you eat the wrong foods, 3 bad things happen at once. Your blood sugar spikes. Every time it spikes, your testosterone gets pushed down for hours. Your body gets inflamed. Inflammation is your body in a constant low-grade fight. Stuff that didn't bother you a decade ago is now wrecking your hormones. Number 5. Soy products. Soy contains plant compounds that act like estrogen in your body. One study had guys eating soy protein every day for a month. Their testosterone dropped almost 20% in 28 days. Soy is hidden in everything: protein bars, veggie burgers, salad dressings. Start reading labels. Real food beats fake food every time. Number 4. Vegetable oils. Soybean oil, corn oil, canola oil, sunflower oil. The cheap oils used in every restaurant fryer. They cause inflammation throughout your body. The oil in your fries is literally damaging the cells that produce your testosterone. Use butter, olive oil, coconut oil, or beef tallow. When you eat out, skip the fried stuff. Number 3. Sugar. Every time you eat or drink something sugary, your blood sugar shoots up. Just one sugary meal can drop your testosterone by 25% for hours after one meal. Soda, granola bars, coffee with 2 sugars, cereal. You're hammering your hormones all day long. Cut added sugar for 30 days. Drink water, black coffee, or tea. Your testosterone will start climbing. Number 2. Alcohol. This one's going to sting for a lot of guys. I get it. But you need to hear it. Heavy drinking can cut testosterone in half. Alcohol literally turns your testosterone into the female hormone. Try 30 days without it. Watch what happens to your sleep, your energy, your waistline. Number 1. Processed packaged foods. Frozen pizzas, microwave meals, packaged snacks, lunch meats, breakfast cereal, vegetable oils, sugar, often soy, plus synthetic chemicals. Build your meals around real food: meat, eggs, fish, vegetables, fruit. Step 1. Audit your kitchen tonight. Walk through your kitchen. Look at every package. Step 2. Replace, don't restrict. Step 3. Try the 30-day alcohol challenge. Your testosterone isn't low because you got older. It's low because the modern food supply was designed in a way that destroys male hormones. Take out the foods working against you, and your body will start doing exactly what it was designed to do. If this opened your eyes, hit subscribe. There's a lot more your doctor isn't telling you about what's quietly draining your energy, your strength, and your drive after 40. We cover all of it on this channel, straight, no fluff, no agenda. Stick around. The next video is one you don't want to miss.